How to remove pimple marks in one day. Home remedies. Pimples can be unsightly, but what's more unattractive are the marks they leave behind. Dermatology clinics now have advanced technologies to treat scars and spots left by pimples and other blemishes. However, they tend to be very expensive. When it comes to methods for how to remove pimple marks in one day, home remedies have been known to produce effective results. To help you tackle this problem, we've developed a process that's not only cheap, but also easy to do. Each of the steps following involves research-backed ingredients or processes, so expect to see some good results right away. Remember that any one of these steps could be the miracle that you are looking for, so watch all the steps. Step 1. Lemon wash. Lemons are great for the skin because of acidity and high vitamin C content. To get rid of pimple marks, vitamin C is important because of the following reasons. It helps reverse hyperpigmentation. In 2017, researchers at the University of Otaga's Department of Pathology released a study that showed how vitamin C hinders melanin production. It is not only a good skin whitening option, but also a way to treat dark spots caused by aging, sun damage, and pimples. It stimulates collagen production. A study done by researchers at the Tulane University School of Medicine demonstrated the efficacy of topical vitamin C in stimulating collagen production. This makes it an effective option for treating a wide variety of skin conditions, including pimple marks and other blemishes. What you'll need: 1/2 lemon. Procedure: gently glide the lemon pulp side down over your skin across your entire face. Make sure to spend more time on areas where pimple marks are more prominent. Don't rub too hard. It's meant to be a wash, not a scrub. After 2 minutes, wash off thoroughly with warm water. Step 2. Honey scrub. In 2001, Dermatologic Surgery published a study that demonstrated how effective microdermabrasion is for skin rejuvenation and treatment of pimple marks. Nowadays, you can undergo microdermabrasion at cosmetic and dermatology clinics. However, a mild and much cheaper option can be done at home. This involves honey, known for its healing properties, and baking soda, a gentle exfoliant. What you'll need: 3 tablespoons of organic honey, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and a glass bowl. Procedure: make a paste by combining the 2 ingredients in a glass bowl. With your fingers, apply the paste to your entire face. Massage gently all over the face, but pay special attention to the areas with plenty of pimple marks. Do this for no more than 2 minutes or you might risk some skin irritation. Rinse off with warm water after 30 minutes. Step 3. ACV Toner. Apple cider vinegar is effective in treating a variety of skin conditions, but it is its lactic acid component that is especially useful in removing pimple marks. According to a study published by the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology in 2010, lactic acid works well to improve the texture of the skin and tighten scars. What you'll need: 2 tablespoons of unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar, 4 tablespoons of distilled water. Procedure: in a small jar or bottle, mix the 2 ingredients. Apply to your face with a cotton pad as you would with a regular toner. Let it dry. There is no need to rinse. Step 4. Vitamin E oil. After all that exfoliation, your skin will need some help in healing. According to a study published by Molecular Aspects of Medicine in 2007, vitamin E offers a variety of benefits to the skin, including skin protection and rejuvenation. Therefore, vitamin E oil should be effective in providing enough moisture and nourishment after treating pimple scars. What you'll need: pure vitamin E oil. You can get bottles of this, specifically made for skin application. You can also just opt to buy a gel capsule and puncture it for its contents. When trying to find ways for how to remove pimple marks in one day, home remedies should serve as gentle but effective options. The methods we've suggested should give you results after just one try. However, you should try to do this once a week to improve your complexion and get rid of your pimple marks for good. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.